here is the pro tip. It's easy. It's from the reaction, right? Just grab the coefficients. Whatever's in front of the water goes there. Whatever's in front of the hydrogen goes there. Here is the pro tip. If you are dealing with a problem where you are given a quantity of one substance and you are asked for a quantity of another substance, you will need to use this brand new mole ratio that we just learned to write. So keep that in mind. You're going to need to use a mole ratio, which is moles of one thing to moles of another. I'll say moles of A to moles of B. So let's do an example. Here's a reaction that we've seen before, hydrogen and oxygen making water. So we are given a quantity of one substance. We're giving moles of water, and we're asked to find moles of oxygen that are needed to make 7.5 moles of water. So let's start by writing the given, 7.5 moles of water, and then we're going to use one of our mole ratios. Now, whatever unit we have, we want to put opposite so that it will cancel when we multiply. So put moles of water on the bottom, and then moles of what you're going to on the top, which would be oxygen. All right, so I make sure I have my units set up first so that when I multiply, the proper units will cancel and I will be left with moles of oxygen. All right, now, what numbers go in this ratio to make it true? So go to the reaction. We've got 1 mole of oxygen and we've got 2 moles of water. And so when we multiply, the moles of water cancel. 7.5 divided by 2 is going to be 3.8 moles of oxygen. So those are the quantities that relate. Okay, let's do one more example. This time, let's see how many moles of water can be produced from 0.27 moles of hydrogen and excess oxygen. That just means you've got plenty of oxygen. It's not going to run out first. The limiting factor is the hydrogen. So again, I'm going to write the given, moles of hydrogen, okay, and I want to get to moles of water. So I want to get rid of my moles of hydrogen and go to moles of water. Okay, and then where do I get the numbers? It's easy. It's from the reaction, right? Just grab the coefficients. Whatever's in front of the water goes there. Whatever's in front of the hydrogen goes there. And you say, wait, we're multiplying by 2 over 2. Are you serious? Well, yeah, I'm serious because we need to do this step to convert these units. And so the answer is going to be the same, 0.27 moles of water. So it totally makes sense. Whatever number of moles of hydrogen you have, that's how many moles of water you're going to get. So all we've done in these two examples is use our new friend, this guy right here. It's a mole ratio. Where does it come from? It comes from the coefficients in a balanced reaction. Okay, here's another mole ratio. We don't need to write all the mole ratios possible, just the one that we need to do the conversion. So that's how you use a mole ratio to convert back and forth between moles of one substance and moles of another.